Can you name these 5 different animals with their English names? They all live in the rainforest. Let's go. It's a big forest antelope that inhabits the tropical jungles of Central Africa. This is a bongo. The largest primates other than humans. A gorilla. The next one is a big cat that is native to the Americas. That's right, it's a jaguar. A jaguar. This next one is a great ape that is native to Indonesia and Malaysia. It's an orangutan. The next animal is a slow-moving mammal that is native to Central and South America. It's a sloth. Can you name this one? It is a colourful bird that is native to Central America and is known for its large beak. Can you name it? If you can, let me know in the comments.